Welcome to BMW Group Plant Leipzig, where history is being made. The iconic MINI Countryman is set to roll off the production line for the first time in Germany, sharing space with BMW's renowned models. Marking a significant shift in manufacturing, the plant's flexible structures allow the seamless integration of MINI into its production line, a testament to innovation and adaptability. Driven by a €700 million investment over the last 5 years, the plant gears up for increased vehicle volumes and MINI-specific requirements, creating over 900 new jobs by 2024. But it's not just about production, it's about a sustainable future. The MINI Countryman Electric signifies a leap in eco-conscious manufacturing, championing responsible materials and production methods. Inside and out, the MINI Countryman Electric embodies sustainable design, from recycled textiles in the interior to resource-friendly painting methods for its striking contrast roof. Innovative painting techniques reduce waste and emissions, while pioneering burner technology operates on hydrogen, part of Plant Leipzig's mission towards decarbonization. Sustainability isn't just a concept here, it's a reality. The plant's wind turbines and battery storage farm reflect its commitment to renewable energy and grid optimization. The long-term vision: decarbonizing production by embracing green hydrogen. Plans are underway for a regional hydrogen grid to support this green initiative. As the MINI Countryman Electric readies for its debut on February 17, 2024, BMW Group Plant Leipzig propels the future of automotive manufacturing, one that's not just about cars, but about sustainability, innovation, and a greener tomorrow. For more groundbreaking updates, stay tuned.